Alright, so this is question for today. So good morning, Emmanuel. Please, how do I sell anything to anyone? So in this video, I'm going to give you my personal framework that I use to sell anything to anyone. So I will give you I want to tell you something that before you say something to anyone, make sure that what you're about to say to them is something that will help them achieve their desired goal, or is something that help them get the result they want. Then please, I won't advise you to say something to someone that won't help them. Make sure that before you say something to them, make sure it's something that will help them. Alright, so if you haven't watched my other video, I made how you can get your first 5 customers if you are just starting today as an affiliate marketer. So if you haven't watched that video, go and watch it, how to get your first 5 customers. So alright, I will give you the closer and what I use to sell anything to anyone. It's called the C.L.O.S.E.R Framework. So I learned this framework from Hormozi, and I have applied it to my business. I have applied it as an affiliate marketer. It has worked for me perfectly. It's called the C.L.O.S.E.R Framework. This C.L.O.S.E.R Framework, you can use it to sell anything to anyone. Even if you are just starting affiliate marketing today, just master the skill and use it to sell anything to anyone. And the best part is that you don't even need to host webinars. This is just a simple chat or a simple phone call, and you close your first sale. You don't even need to wait for 10 people to register for a webinar for you to close sale. You can do this on a daily basis and use it to sharpen your skill. And the best part is that the more you do this, the more you sharpen your skill and be able to get better and close more sales. So let's get started. The C.L.O.S.E.R Framework. Now the C is clarify. The C is clarify. When someone comes into them and they are like they want to buy your products, don't just send them VSL video or just all this automation that most affiliate marketers do. Don't do automation. Automation is killing your business. Please, if you are a beginner in affiliate marketing, I would advise you to start doing WhatsApp automation. We are not robots. We are human beings. When you just do automation, it kills yourselves. People see if you are not treating robots, you have to take that you are emotional. So you have to, when they come to you or them and they are interested in this, they are interested in that, clarify why they are there. You ask them, clarify why they are there. So this is the question you have to ask them. Okay, let me use myself as an example. Is it okay? What are your struggles at the moment, and what are the things that you have to achieve? You want to achieve. The reason we ask this question is to build trust with that person. Is to tell that person that you are the right person that will solve their problem to them. So once you use the C, clarify the pain. Clarify the pain. Ask them, Eze, what is your pain? What is your struggle? And where do you want to be? Now, I, Eze, will tell you my struggles and the things that my struggles and the things that I want to achieve. Are you getting it now? I tell you my struggles and the things that I want to achieve. After I must have told you my struggles, you use what I call the L, label. This L is the most important framework. If you don't use others, please make sure you use L. When you label them what they have just said, the L is label. Say what they have just said, just say it back to them. When they tell their struggles and you say it back to them, that is where you build the trust. That is where you build the trust. They will be like, if this person really understand my pain, and it means they have solution for my problem. Now let me say you asked me my struggle, and I said I'm struggling to lose 5 pounds, and you label it back to me and say something like, hey, if I understand you well, you said that you are struggling to lose 5 pounds and you are eating too much. It's just an example. I will say yes. When you say this to me, you just label the pain back to me. I will be like, this person understands my pain. That is the time I trust you, even if it's the first time we are meeting. So now we have clarified my pain. Now you have labeled back to me. The second one is O. Overview their past experience. Overview their past experience. The reason we are following these steps is to build trust and to build that relationship, so that even if you are just meeting someone today that can be able to buy from you today without waiting any time. That is why we are using this framework. So you overview the past experience. You ask them something like, so is it, what have you done before to lose weight that didn't work for you? I will start saying, this is what I have done. I've tried to drink tea, I've tried to exercise, I've tried to do this. I will just tell you everything, the painful part of what I have done. If you are selling a product of how to make money online, you have said, is it, what are the things that you have tried to make money online before that didn't work for you? I will start saying something like, I have tried to register for this site, is a Ponzi scheme, they ate my money. I have tried to register for affiliate marketing, they didn't give me the course. I have tried to do drop shipping, I have tried to do Amazon KDP, I have tried to do this, I have tried to do this. I will start saying my past pain, my past experience of the things that I have done before to achieve this particular outcome that didn't work for me. Now that you have told you my past experience, my past pain, this is what you use to say something to me. This is overview their past pain. This is what you use to sell your product to me. So when they are saying their past experience, if your product is among the past experience, you tell them how your product is better than those things they have tried. That is how you sell. If I'm saying that, okay, I've registered for Ponzi scheme and it didn't work for me, and let me say you're selling affiliate marketing products, you might say something like, is it, now that you have registered for Ponzi scheme, they scam you and they defrauded your money. Now this is how my product is different. Number one, you are investing in your skill, and your skill is something that you never lose it. and it happens to make you money to the rest of your life. So have you seen that? You tell me why your product is better than my past experience. I'm just giving you an instance. If I say that I've lost money to scammers before, I've lost money to Ponzi scheme before, and you are saying a product of how to make money online, you may say something like, I understand your pain that I've lost money to Ponzi scheme before, but this is why after marketing product is the best, or this is why I'm how to make money online is the best, or this is why this product is the best. Number one, when you buy these products, you are not even spending money, you are investing in your skill. You are investing in sales and marketing, you are investing in video editing, you are investing in graphic design, you are investing in this. So it must surely make you money, even if it doesn't make you money tomorrow. Even if it doesn't make money today, it will surely make you money tomorrow. So that is, you after they have paid their past experience, you use their past experience and say your product. Tell them why your product is better than their past experience. When you tell me why your product is better than my past experience, that will make me to be, eager to buy from you. Are you getting it now? So after you have told me why your product is better than my past experience, that is when I fall in love with you. That is when I fall in love with your product. This is when I start saying, I want this, I want this, I want this. So I don't have to go every other pain that I've gone before. Now we use the S. You send me the vacation. You may say something like, if all this product does for you is to stop you losing money from Ponzi scheme and give you the freedom that you need, you know what you have to say there. I'm just giving you an instance. You just say them the vacation. If what all this product does for you is to show you how to make more money and have the free time that you wanted, and you never have to work 9 to 5 again. You say the pain point. Is this something that you want to know more about? And I will say yes, I want to know more about. And then you send me the vacation, you tell me the stuff you have to tell me, and you say something like, after you have said tell me with the benefit of your product, you go to E. You explain why they are concerned, because after you must have said all these benefits, some people will be like, I don't think it will work for me. That is when they start giving you objections. So I have developed a very simple framework that you can use to handle any sales objection that comes your way, because 90% of African marketers complain that they don't know how to handle sales objection. So I have made a video on how you can handle any sales objection that comes your way. So click the video here and watch that video, how you can handle any sales objection that comes your way. So after they have you explain why they are concerned. It won't work for me. Use the framework I taught you in that video and handle that sales objection and explain where they are concerned. After you must have handled their sales objection, you just reinforce the decision they have just made. Now they will pay you immediately for the product, depending on how much you are selling it. After they have paid you for a product, you have to reinforce the decision they have just made. You have to make sure that they made the right decision. If they send you money for purchasing a product, purchase that product immediately and send them to a group. And they'll be like, yes, this person is very fast, I just made the decision. Just make sure that whatever you have to do to let them feel like I have made the right decision by buying your products, that is where you use the R. So with this C.L.O.S.E.R framework, I have used it to close 90% of my prospects. It worked for me, it also works for you. So you can go and try it out. It might also work better for you more than it did for me. Use the C.L.O.S.E.R framework. And I have used it. I have used it. It worked for me, it worked for my students. Your own would be different. Go and apply it today and see the success in your affiliate marketing business. Now let me do the summary of this video. C, clarify their pain. Ask them their struggles and what they want to achieve. L, you label them back on what they have just told you that is their struggle. Then O, you overview their past experience. S, you sell them their vacation. E, you explain where they are concerned. Handle the source objection by using the framework that I developed in the video here. And the R, you enforce that the decision that they have just made is the right one for them. And with this, you can close any sales that comes away. See you on the next video.